Good morning. Information Retrieval Techniques, CSE 8080. Myself, Sharmila, Asst, represent the Department of Computer Science Engineering in R.M.D.E. Engineering College. We're going to discuss in this video about classification. In that classification, we're going to discuss about K nearest neighbor classifier, that is KNN. In the KNN classifier is called as K nearest neighbor. Is an algorithm, is a type of supervised learning algorithm. What is supervised is labeled data, correct? In the machine learning, labeled data is called as supervised learning algorithm in the machine learning, which can be used for both classification as well as regression predictive problem. The K nearest neighbor algorithm uses feature similarities to predict the values of new data points, which further means that the new data point will be assigned as a value based on how closely it matches the point in the training set. For example, in the KNN, the features similar, we can classify using the KNN classifier. The input value is cat, correct? So it's only the back color cat is given. Whether it is a cat, whether it is a dog. So predicted output is cat. So what is KNN algorithm? K nearest neighbor is one of the simplest supervised machine learning algorithm, mostly used for classification. It classifies a data point based on how its neighbor are classified. So here the KNN classifier, they give an example. Cat means sharp claws and uses to climb smallest length of ears. Mew mew and purr purr, that is a sound given by the cat, doesn't love to play around. But dogs, dull claws and bigger length of ears, it barks like barks, barks, bobo, and love to run around. That is the given similarities for dog. So here they are segregating sharpened claws and long ears, like that they are segregating the cats and dogs in the KNN classifier. So then they given the sketch K and then find the K nearest neighbor. It matches with the cat. So it's sharpened and small ears, like that it's matched with cats. So how do we choose a factor? In the KNN algorithm is based on the feature similarity. Here first we are choosing K7 and then we are deriving a value. Next we are choosing K3, then we are deriving a value. Then you are choosing a new variable. Like that we are fixing a value, right value for K is a process called a parameter tuning. And it is important for better accuracy. The main idea is better accuracy in the KNN. How do we choose a K factor K? To choose a value K, square root of n, where n is the total number of data points. That is a formula. Odd value of K is selected to avoid the confusion between two classes of data. So we can use KNN when we can use it. So data is labeled as dog. Data set is small. Data is noisy free. So because KNN is lazy learner, that is doesn't learn a discriminative function from the training set. The weight, height, class, underweight, 1/4, 23, Hello Kitty, like that they are given a data set. Whether it is noisy, like that they are given. For that, considering the data set having two variables, height and weight, and each point is classified as a normal and underweight. So using that, how does the KNN algorithm works? On the basis of the given data, how to classify the below set as a normal, underweight using KNN. How to choose? Assume we don't know how to calculate BMI. To find the nearest neighbor, we will calculate the Euclidean distance. But how Euclidean distance is calculated? I hope you know the formula. Distance D equal to square root of x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. That is the Euclidean distance formula. So for the 2 points in the plane, coordinates x and y, we are calculating a comma b is given. So we are calculating the value of distance d, small d. Let's calculate it to understand the clarity. So we are calculating for D1, D2, D3. What is the value? Is approximately 6.7, 13, 13.4. Similarly, we'll calculate the equivalent distance for unknown data points from all the points in the data set. So after calculating the equivalent distance, we'll see what is, let's calculate the nearest neighbor for K3. For K3, it's 1.432. Which one we'll select? Either it is 72 kg or 170 kg. So we have n equal to 10. The square root of 10 is 3.1. Hence we have taken k equal to 3. So when we have taken k equal to 3, the majority neighbor are pointing towards normal. So 1.432 are normal. So hence as per the KNN algorithm, the class 57 to 170 should be normal. Okay. So I hope you understand how to choose the K. So here in this video, what we have discussed is what is KNN algorithm, that is KNN classifier. The KNN neighbor, that is K nearest neighbor, that is KNN algorithm, is a type of supervised machine learning algorithm which is used to classify both classification as well as regression predictive problem. Feature similarity, predict the value of new data point to feature the means new data point will be assigned to value based on how closely it matches the point in the training data set. We are taking the K value using the equidistance distance formula and we are measuring that nearest neighbor. So I hope understand how to calculate the K value in the KNN classifier. Thank you.